Hey everyone, have you ever thought, I wish there was an app for that? Well, today, I'm bringing you 5 simple yet realistic Android app ideas that could be the next big thing. Whether you're a developer or just love tech, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Managing money can be tough, but what if an app could track your expenses effortlessly? This app would let you scan receipts, categorize spending, and even give smart insights on where you can save money. Simple, effective, and super useful. Would you use this? Let me know in the comments. We all want to build better habits, but staying consistent is hard. This habit tracker app would let you set daily goals, track progress, and even send gentle reminders to keep you on track. Whether it's drinking more water, reading, or working out, this app helps you stay motivated. Ever missed out on cool events just because you didn't know about them? This app would use location-based services to show you nearby concerts, meetups, and festivals based on your interests. No more FOMO, just fun and new experiences. Grocery shopping can be a headache, but what if an app could suggest meal plans and auto-generate your shopping list? Simply choose meals for the week, and the app compiles a list of everything you need. No more forgetting ingredients or overspending. Staying focused while studying or working is tough with all the distractions. This app would use the Pomodoro technique to break study sessions into focused intervals, while also blocking distracting apps. Perfect for students and remote workers. And that's a wrap. Which of these app ideas would you love to see in real life? Drop a comment below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. Until next time, keep innovating.